Alright, let's start with our module number 20. Next. Guys, ang po na same sang last bala kagina nga gamit ko nga mic amo gyapon niya sang laptop. So, alright. Alright, module number 20. Red tide. Red tide is caused by a population explosion. Of what? Of toxic, naturally occurring microscopic phytoplankton. Dinoflagellates. Alright? Phytoplankton, dinoflagellates are environmental conditions that promote explosive growth of microorganisms. Warm surface temperature, high nutrient content, low salinity comes in rainy days followed by sunny weather. Right? Red tide. Water in the coastal areas can be colored red during red tide. Amo nang ginambal nila ka daw red tide ari. Ay nako. Red tide. Ay tsaka. Type ko na to. Red tide. Charan! Hala, kaluoy. Anyway, shellfish are particularly prone to contamination. Quahogs or large clams, soft shell. Guys, malibot lang na di sa mga shells. Alright, oysters, no, talaba, mussels or long dark shells, calzmoon, snails, etc. Four syndromes of shellfish: poisoning, may paralytic, diarrheal, amnestic, neurologic. Alright, tandaan na nga, paralytic, diarrheal, amnestic, and urologic. Next, ganun manifestations, tingling of the lips and tongue. Gatingo. Alright, headache, dizziness, and nausea can be aggravated by alcohol consumption. Wow, mainom lang. Mainom. Sakit akong sulok-sulok. Anyway, breathing difficulty due to respiratory muscle paralysis occurs in 5 to 12 hours. Guys, ano dapat ubrahon kung magmuna na pasukahon? Are, induce vomiting. Okay? Mayroon man charcoal, ang ano na ganyan, ang uling. Hemoperfusion is a process done by pumping the arterial blood through an activated charcoal filter to remove the toxin. Kaya di ba ang uling gapang higop, maskin for example, nabla sa mga baon na nabutangan sang uling, abo, may charcoal wall kita sa green farm, mga muna bala. Sodium bicarb, alkaline, neutralized toxin, artificial respiration for respiratory distress. Alright, scabies and scabies, they add each mites burrow into the superficial layer of skin, lay 2-3 eggs. Guys, do or tatlo kay itlog. Kag guys, amoniya nga investment. San umatubo? 2 months. Alright, mag-invest man sa lawas ang tao. Yes, guys. Alright, ang mites. Alright, eggs hatch in 3 to 4 days. Clinical symptoms are related to a sensitivity reaction as larvae emerge to the skin surface. Guys, ang causative agent, tandaan nyo. Sarcoptes scabiei. Sarcoptes scabiei. Tandaan, scabies scabiei. Ari siya, scabies scabiei. Sarcoptes scabiei. Scabies. Alright? 24 hours incubation period. Guys, grabe nga pangatol. Severe itching. Yes, signs and symptoms, grabe nga pangatol. Alright? Multiple straight or wavy thread-like lines beneath the skin. Alright. Ay, ano na man, kuring. Anyway, alright, prescriptions is Scabidi toilet. Alright, Scabidi such as Lindenquel, Crotamiton, Urax, and 5% permethrin or Elimite. Alright, is applied thinly to entire skin from the neck down, spatting only the face and scalp, which are not affected in scabies. Spatting only the face and scalp, which is not affected in scabies. Tandaan. One application may be curative, but is advisable repeated treatment in 1 week. Guys, tandaan ng mga medical management, diagnosis, nursing management, amo niyang ginakwa sa exam na questions. Amo na siya ya. Alright, nursing diagnosis, impaired skin integrity, guys, kaya nga may pangatol. Related to lesions, inflammatory response, nagabuka-buka to. Kasi syempre, di ba, may itlog to siya. Syempre, mga tol, may lesion. Kaya syempre, may inflammatory, inflame. Alright? Next, provide general nursing care for parasitic skin diseases, enhancing skin integrity, providing pain relief, preventing infection, and providing client and family teaching. Provide client and family teaching regarding measures to treat pediculosis, kuto. Pediculosis, kuto, aran na ginamba ko na, teach the client with lice. Ano ang lice? Kuto, gani, liwat-liwat. Alright, or a parent, if the client is a child, to shampoo with linden and remove nits with a fine tooth comb. Kanya na ang husay nga ginagamit para sa kuto, amo na siya. Provide client and family teaching regarding measures to treat scabies. Oh, guys, teach the client how to use scabicide such as Linden or Crotamiton, ang shampoo na bla nga para sa ano, lice alis na tawag, no? Amo na guro. Oh, may kubikagi. Charay, way gid man. All right. Lice alis. All right. Explain that the scabicide is directly absorbed by the parasites. Okay. Leave the medication on for 12 to 24 hours and then wash thoroughly. Teach precautions to prevent future infestations. Amo gyud man ang lice alis, guys. No, hindi ko sure. Nabatian ko na ng lice alis mo. Lice alis. Oh. Ay, lain. Pyrethrin siya. Okay. Hmm. So, ano si Lindin? Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, never share hair brushes, of course. Hindi mo na mag-share. Kaya nga, maglapta, magsaylo sa imo. Wash all bedding clothing in hot water and dry it using the hot cycle of the clothes dryer. Last is schistosomiasis or snail fever. Tandaan, schistosomiasis, bilharziasis, or snail fever na lang. Alright, is a chronic wasting disease commonly affecting farmers and their families. Kaya di ba doon may mga snail na kung magano mga farmers ang ilatiil sa dalom sang duta, di ba? So socio-economic problem, they can reduce agricultural productivity. Guys, ang etiologic agent niya, schistosoma parasitic worm. Kaya nga, schistosoma parasitic worm. Tandaan, oh. Schistosoma japonicum, hapon, guys, do sound like katayama. Hapon sounds like katayama disease, alright? Sounds like katayama. Hapon, katayama, alright? But also known as oriental schistosomiasis. Diin siya galing. Although hapon siya pamatian, guys, katayama, pero sa Philippines siya endemic, alright? Mansoni, Africa. Mansoni, common sa Africa, and hematobium, schistosoma hematobium affects the urinary tract, found in the Middle East, like Iraq and Iran. Incubation period, 2 months. Mode of transmission, ingestion of contaminated water. Vector is Oncomelania quadrasi. Guys, can be transmitted through skin pores. Panalupsop siya. Alright? Skin pores. Vector, ang dadala is Oncomelania quadrasi. Ari siya. Charan! Basta mo na. Oncomelania quadrasi. Alright, characteristics of Oncomelania quadrasi thrives best along riverbanks, fresh water, streams, creeks, canals, and swamps. O, diba? Ang mga farmers, ginaton, grasses, decaying leaves, rotting wood, bamboo, coconut husk. Guys, loves to stay in areas with sandy and loamy soil. Soil. Okay? Clinical manifestations, sporadic rash, alright, katol nga rash, swimmer's itch develops at the site of penetration. Kung diin nagpanalupsop, dira ang katol. Alright? Low-grade fever, myalgia, muscle weakness, cough, ubo, becomes ecteric jaundice. Belly becomes big because of inflamed liver. Ganda ko. Marked muscle wasting and headache and convulsion. Complications, guys, liver cirrhosis. Kaya di ba nag-yellow siya? Gina. So, of course, liver ya, balda. Diba? Ano ba gito ang balya? Nagdako ang tiyan. Kaya nga, inflamed ang liver. Liwat-liwat lang na siya. Okay? Core pulmonal or right-sided heart failure o pulmonary hypertension, heart failure, ascites, hematemesis, gasuka, dugo, renal failure, cerebral schistosomiasis, more on brain. Alright, eggs and parasites cross the blood-brain barrier. So, ginamba ko brain na, nag-cross na sa blood-brain barrier and they reach the venous side of the cerebral circulation. Manifested by increased ICP. Anong ICP? Intracranial pressure. Diagnostic is fecalysis, of course. Stool exam, tae ni patient. Cat-to-Cat's technique, liver, ELISA, circumoval precipitin or COPT. Amo ning confirmatory diagnostic test, tandaan kung mag-question to karon, ano ang blah 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 sa sakit niya, schistosomiasis, paano siya ma-confirm, ano nga mga diagnostic procedure. Guys, amo ning isabat kung gusto nyo confirmatory. Alright? COPT. Treatment, praziquantel, gagwa gini. Praziquantel, antihelmintic. Praziquantel for 6 months, Fodin injection. And prevention, guys, of course, ang snail density by clearing vegetations, exposing the snails to sunshine, constructing drainage systems, canal to dry areas to the snails thrive and snail insecticides. Guys, sunshine kay 'di ba gusto nila do basa nga loamy nga soil bala. Kaya syempre gamala sila kung i-sunshine sila so muna expose ang mga snail sa sunshine.